Aritco Lifts Repair. Aritco Lifts is an award-winning manufacturer of platform lifts and home lifts. They supply lifts for both public and private market all over the world. Aritco began business in 1995 with a simple idea: lifts to improve mobility, anywhere. Aritco was formed by lift industry veterans who had taken accessibility to a new level. With unshakable dedication to the highest quality standards and long experience in the field combined with unique technological know-how and a strong emphasis on design, Aritco rapidly became the leading platform lifts manufacturer in Europe. Today you will find Aritco in more than 25,000 buildings and private homes around the world. Since 1995, Aritco platform lifts add efficiency and aesthetic value to schools, offices and retail stores. In 2012, Aritco made future-proofing and modern living possible for everyone with the comfortable and elegant Aritco home lifts. Through the years they have kept close collaboration with architects, builders, accessibility consultants, property owners and end users. This has allowed him to gain valuable knowledge that we incorporate into our lift solutions. The result? Lifts that get you where you want to go. Aritco is an award-winning manufacturer of platform lifts and home lifts. With approximately 90 employees and sales of around 300 million Swedish krona, Aritco supplies lifts for both public and private market all over the world. Through its network of more than 140 distributors, Aritco installed more than 25,000 lifts in over 40 countries. Our service response time. If something is wrong with your Aritco platform and accessibility lift, you can always contact us for service support. Our cross-Europe network and in-house team of engineers and technicians have many years of experience. Our knowledge and experience mean a lot to our customers. We understand the importance of keeping your lifts in service, especially those providing accessibility. We pride ourselves on our response times. We answer your calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We will assist you in the event of an unexpected lift failure with initial phone consultation, directly with a trained technician, and always aim to follow through with a same-day visit to fix the problem and have your lift back in service in the quickest possible time. Service agreement. When you buy a lift from any manufacturer, we always advise to get a service agreement with an experienced and professional service company. We offer several simple-to-understand client-focused agreements with different service levels to meet all types of needs. Common to all service contracts is that they guarantee reliability and extend the lifetime of your lift. Servicing your elevator regularly is integral to long equipment lifetime and trouble-free operation. Are you interested in a service agreement? Contact us and we'll tell you more. Spare parts. As we specialize in platform lift servicing across many global lift brands including Aritco. Our well-established network provides immediate access to all Aritco platform and accessibility lift spare parts, keeping response times fast, and resulting lift downtimes low. AAA highest creditworthiness. This award may be given to limited liability companies with sales of more than 2 million Swedish krona that have been in business more than 10 years and whose key ratios are significantly higher than average for the industrial sector concerned. Gazelle Award. The Gazelle Award is awarded to the fastest growing companies in Sweden. Aritco has won this award 6 years in a row. Aritco has also been appointed Super Gazelle. They place hard and fast demands on their suppliers as to how they make the products they deliver to us. All of the materials used in their lifts are environmentally classified according to various standards depending on material type. What's more, thanks to their design, Aritco lifts have one great green advantage. Many conventional lifts use hydraulic power, which entails the use of oil. Apart from a little lubrication, their lifts use no oil at all.